Okay guys, y'all see some boxes here? This is for all the Maverick's front suspension. Right here are a set of brand new tie rods, ends, both sides of the upper ball joint. These are the rear brakes for the Mustang, and these are my lower control arms. All cost me $107 off Rock Auto, and they look terrific. So show you a little bit what I got done right now. I kind of went ahead and took this one off just because I was wanting to try something. Okay, I was curious to see if maybe the SN Mustang nut would fit, because I haven't found a clear answer if they do or not. It just says use Mustang 2s and etc. So I just tried it. Clear answer is no. Your ball joints for your Mavericks and Comets are going to be smaller, so this just rattles around in there. Now you could drill out the rivets in here, and I'll show you what I mean by drilling out the rivets. See those rivets right there? If you somehow could just drill those out, you could actually bolt a bigger ball joint in. I'm not trying it. I'm just going to throw it back like it should be for now. And then later on, when I do restore this car officially, it'll get the tubular suspension from the Colt 65 from AGE, or unless somebody else comes out with a cheaper yet better K-member that just bolts in, that's all tubular. So enough jibber jabbering, let's get to tearing the rest of this apart and start on the other side. Take it off, then when you install the new one, count how many turns that it took to take it off to put it back on. Therefore, you'll be in the ball range when you go get it in line. let's take that one, lay that there, and then let's take, oh, the boot is torn right there, the upper ball joint, and we're going to lay that dude right there. And then we're going to grab our outer tie rods and our new ball joint and carry this box dun 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 and lay it right here violently. And now take a drink. That's some good old sweet tea. Hey, if y'all know what movie that's off of, comment down below. It's one of my favorite movies. And if you can name the person on it, say his name in the comments below also. One of my favorite actors. Okay guys, new day, and here in my hands are the sway bar end links from Energy Suspension. So these are supposed to be polyurethane bushings on here, and the metal's a lot thicker, so it's supposed to handle performance sway bar completely end link set. It says high-speed cornering with original rubbers, anti-sway bars. The problem: Energy Suspension, polyurethane, anti-sway bar bushings. The cure. So it's supposed to keep this car more leveled at it. So I'm not going to know until I take the car out, but we're going to see if it does fix it by handling. But hang on a second, guys. Let me plug this dude in. Okay, so as you see right here, my sway bar is not much thicker than these. So who knows? It might work, then again it might not. But let's go ahead and hook them up. Okay guys, I'm so sorry I did not record this side, but I got both sway bars in, and when I was bolting this one on, I had a little bit of trouble because I had tension on this bar from bolting that one fully in. What I probably should have done is just got them in and then went back and forth and tied them that way, but I got this one in and I can tell it's working a lot better than OEM. So, and over there you saw that I had the dust plate and the shoe assembly for the drum brakes on this side but off on that side. It's because I am currently got the rotors ordered. I'm going to swap the front end over to disc brakes, and what I'm going to attempt is machine a piece of metal that bolts into here for the brake assembly. But again, I'm not going to go into full detail on that one. You'll have to come back to the channel and see when I upload that video. Hopefully that'll be here pretty soon. I do got my axles ordered, or they're on their way. They got shipped out today, so they should be in within next week. So I'll get that in, get the fluid in, get the gasket, and then throw that under the car and bolt it together and get the drive shaft hooked on. Okay guys, y'all saw how I just threw those polyurethane bushings on. Eventually the whole car is going to get all new bushings through it. It's just I want to get the car back on the road for now so I can get another car of mine in here to start on rebuilding that one. And the only other car that I do have in the yard is that 240SX, and that's what's going to come in and get redone completely and won't leave this shop until it's running. The Maverick, I got some plans for it this year, so I want to be able to drive it, and then once I get those two vehicles done and maybe the 46, I'll bring the Maverick back in and start doing that one the way I want it. But again, like I said, on the next video, it's either going to be the rear end or the disc brakes in the front. Y'all just have to come back and see on the progress of that the Maverick build. Just get it back on the road and performing a little better than what it was. So, okay guys, well, this is the end of the video, and I'm going to say hopefully y'all liked it. Hopefully it wasn't too dark because I don't have light underneath the car. I'm just using the LED light for it. And I do want to say personally again, thank you for every one of my subscribers. I'm up to 126 as of right now, and I just plan on getting bigger and growing on this channel. And without y'all, I couldn't get anywhere. So hey, the ones that are following me and subscribe to me, share my content, get it out there, and hit a thumbs up on the video if y'all like it. If y'all are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, y'all will be notified. So, alright guys, I'm getting out of here. Later.